Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Install the required desktop environment by running the following command. After that, install the tigervnc-standalone-server with the next command. This will allow you to run a remote desktop session independently of a logged-in user. Install additional tools for managing and interacting with tigervnc server. Run an X command to set a VNC HS password. Next, start the VNC server with the following command. After that, stops the VNC session running on display. Next command. Next, you need to open the following file and insert the following script. This script initializes user resources, sets per session type, defines the display, and then launch the desktop. Next, give the Xstartup script executable by running the following command. After that, restart the VNC server with the following commands. Next, go into your VNC client. There you need to insert your server IP address with the following port. After that, you can start work with VNC. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.